Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have added grid lines to your chart, you can format their display in Excel. To format grid lines, choose the Set of Grid Lines to Format from the Chart Elements dropdown in the Current Selection button group on the Format tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Then click the Format Selection button that appears below the drop-down menu in the same button group. Alternatively, right-click the set of grid lines to format in the actual chart. Then select the Format Grid Lines command from the pop-up menu that appears. Using either method then shows the Format Grid Lines task pane at the right side of the screen. Here you set the display of the grid lines. In the Grid Line Options category, you can set the line style for the grid lines. You can also choose other formatting categories to display within the task pane by clicking the desired category icon. The formatting options for the selected category then appear in collapsible and expandable lists at the bottom of the task pane. You can click the titles of each category list to expand and collapse its category options. You can set any options that you would like within the task pane to immediately apply those changes to the chart. When you are finished, click the X button in the upper right corner of the task pane to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.